Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cherry nail art. If you guys are new, it would be great if you could subscribe down below and hit that like button. Without making this intro too long, let's just get right in with the video. I'm going to paint these two fingers and my thumb using the red nail polish, and these two fingers using the light pink nail polish. Now I'm going to paint the second coat. I'm going to be painting the cherries on the two nails that I painted pink. The first step is to use a dotting tool to make two red dots next to each other. Now I'm going to repeat that step to make two more dots next to each other because I'm going to be painting two sets of cherries on this nail. Now I'm going to take a small nail brush, you can also use a toothpick, and use it to paint the stems onto the cherries using some light green nail polish. You can also add some leaves to your cherry stems if you want to. Now I'm just going to use a smaller dotting tool to make some white dots on the top right corner of each cherry. These are going to be the highlights. You guys can also do the highlights on a different area of the cherries if you want to. Now I'm just going to repeat the exact same steps to paint some cherries onto my middle finger as well. You guys can also do more than two cherries on each nail if you want to. If you guys don't have any dotting tools or nail art brushes at home, don't worry, you guys can still do this design. All you need are a few simple household objects like bobby pins and toothpicks to use instead. Now I'm going to apply a clear coat. This will just help protect the nail polish and help it last a little bit longer. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, and if you like artsy and crafty videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.